Take two and day second. Yet another day with a little bit of excitement.
So again, next week I'm sick. I got something going on. I can't make it out with you guys. I'm sorry.
This is the meanest cat this side of the New York, and this.
Back on the road. Back on the road.
Yes, sir. Mr. William, what are your impressions about this little experience we had? What would you like to add into this?
It was okay. It was all right. These things happen. You sound phone news. We'll get back.
All right. Mr. Beckler,
all the bad things that
you
can
are
happen,
live right
so
now.
This isn't so bad. It happened right at the dock. It's a beautiful thing.
Beautiful.
How are you? Didn't happen in the middle of the Atlantic.
Mr. William is not hungry anymore, and as you can see, he's got monster energy in him right now. And he's actually very happy right now because the water depth is like 3 feet. And he's saying that anytime something happens, he can go down. He's the first one to always jump down.
Life jacket, baby. Life jacket.
And then he's going to push the boat.
I just want to say this boat is a really nice boat. And Burhan made a good buy.
Thank you, sir.
We're going to sell it for $8,000 next year, and we'll get a bigger boat.
Yes, sir. We'll get one of those. Oh, I don't have evidence right now. The one that doesn't make any noise at all. Sun dancer. There you go. Now you can make the movie. This is our new boat, ladies and gentlemen.
This is Burhan.
Captain B.
Captain B.
Yes,
Captain
sir.
B.
Captain B.
As you can see, the skies are blue.
Not because of neighborhood, you know.
Exactly.
It's a beautiful day to be out boating.
I said we go
We
out.
got Craig at the helm,
We're not going to kill the engine anymore.
and we're just leaving the channel right now.
Safety first, man. Safety first. Two words. Safety. Thank you, Mr. William. I hope you enjoyed this little trip with that.
And what we just did, half a mile out that way, is a very expensive trip. You know what I mean? This thing stops right in the middle. It's very expensive.
This guy also said that might as well be by the seagull right away.
Yeah.
You know.